Lucas captures patient encounters through its transcription feature, so I'm going to show you how you can start transcribing. You're going to start by choosing a patient and opening up their patient profile. So you can see I have Jones Peterson open up here, and to start transcribing, I'm going to click the red button in the upper right corner with the microphone. Once I click the microphone, you'll see that the timestamp changes, and this indicates that the microphone is on and capturing. You can stop your transcription at any time by clicking pause, and you'll notice that a task appears in the upper right corner, which means that it's been generated. And then you can continue your transcription by clicking the microphone again. So this means that you can dictate some patient information before your encounter, and you can also continue to dictate additional information after the encounter. You'll notice that the language is set to English/Spanish, which means that you can talk to your patient in English or Spanish, or both in the same conversation, and the transcription will come up just fine. Let's create an example together. So let's say Jones Peterson has some back issues, some back pain. I'm going to start the transcription. Jones is here for lower back pain that started after moving furniture this weekend. The pain is a 6 out of 10 located in the lumbar region. It's radiating slightly to the right hip, but he has no numbness or tingling in the legs. He's been taking ibuprofen with minimal relief. His vital signs are normal, and his physical exam shows a limited range of motion with forward flexion and tenderness over the L4, L5 area. Straight leg raise test is negative bilaterally. Assessment is acute lumbar strain, but I prescribed a muscle relaxer, and I recommend ice for the first 48 hours, then heat, and a physical therapy referral. Now you can see the transcript shows up here. And there are a few things that are going to influence the quality of your transcript. The first is the quality of the microphone on your device. If you're working with an older desktop, it may struggle to capture what you're saying accurately, so I definitely recommend using a phone or an iPad if you're struggling with that issue. The proximity to your device will also influence whether the transcript comes out well or not. If you are far away from your computer, as you're talking to your patient, it's going to struggle to pick up the conversation. And finally, how clearly you're speaking will influence whether the transcript shows up accurately. An accurate transcript is the best way to come up with an accurate note. The more accurate your note is, the fewer edits you'll have to make before you import it into your EHR. I definitely recommend working on the quality of your transcripts to avoid errors in your future notes.